afternoon. This is Kurt with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's Scottsdale Camelback Tower office in Old Town. Today we're at 5610 East Charter Oak Road in Scottsdale 85254. It's basically 56th Street and Cactus, so just north of Paradise Valley, off of Tatum and Cactus respectively, 56th Street. So it's really close to all the new amenities at the Paradise Valley Mall, reimagined, where they have Whole Foods, Lifetime Fitness, luxury apartments, and all kinds of restaurants and fun family-orientated things. And it's a great gym. I just joined the other day, and man, I don't know, it's been a long time. My arms are killing me. So anyways, let's go in this house. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, beautifully updated. 3,048 on the square footage, built in 75. The lot is about 1/3 of an acre, just over. A lot of it in the back corner over there, which we'll get to in a minute. This will probably be a 3-part mini-series just based on the upload time to YouTube. I appreciate you checking out the channel, of course. And reach out to me for any questions, or if you want a twilight showing, anything is possible. So we've got updates here on the roof and soffit fascia, all new painting, natural grass. It's on a cul-de-sac, very nice. That house across the street's been pending. They're under contract already for around 1.3. This house is, we're asking 1.3. It's slightly smaller, but it's a larger lot. Anyways, so let's go this way. It does have a 2-car garage, which we'll get to. I just wanted to bring you through the front door. Okay, ooh, it's hot. All right, so here we've got a sitting area, or could be easily, you know, dining room, I guess, if you want. Very open concept. There's also a secondary dining room, so if you're having a big Thanksgiving or something like that, you can break it out into 2 separate rooms, or just have a sitting room, like conversation area, you know, like they have it set up here. It would be right there, obviously. We just talked about that. So yeah, sit there, talk, whatever, and have some separation between the conversations that might be happening over there, and everybody is still in the kitchen for the most part. Kick back, watch the game here. Got a nice fire for the winter. Brand new fans, has some character in the beams, and new patio doors and windows. Beautiful glass in the door. 2 closets. And we'll go through the kitchen first. Then I'll show you through the utility section in the garage and so forth, and then we'll stop. I'll go through the other bedrooms and then stop again, and we'll go outside and do the backyard tour to finish it up. Sounds good? Okay. Nice appliance package. Brand new. The cabinets are painted, but they're painted extraordinarily well. Got a drop-down floating ceiling with the lights. Utility room. Here's the powder room. Which comes in handy. It comes right off of the pool area, so you just come in here, go right to the bathroom, and go right back out and jump in the pool without having to get the kitchen or the living room or both wet with wet feet or dripping swim trunks. Each fan's got its own remote. Skylight. So we'll break right here at 4 minutes, and we'll go, I'll pick it up right where I'm standing. We'll go into the other wing of the house, and then we'll go outside for the 3rd and final part. Please hold.